It's time to e-sign the agreement. I select the contract, that's this one. For e-signing, I already also had promised another colleague that we would sign an NDA. So let's do that as in one action right now. E-sign, click the e-sign button. It selects the two transactions as we have them over here. I can indicate for each of the documents which ones need to be e-signed, whether the e-signing need to be processed with parallel e-signing. If one of the parties needs to go first, then I can choose for another one and I can change the order of e-signing. For here that's not relevant. If there are more parties to the agreement, I can customize the sequence so as to make sure that the right persons come first. Sometimes you have the CEO who wants to go as the very last of everyone, and in those cases you might want to have a customized sequence, and this will be processed through, in this case, DocuSign or another e-signing provider, but Weagree will nurture or feed the e-signing process. As regards Weagree, we do know who the e-signers are. I can select them from the list. If there is only one e-signatory in the list, then of course that one had been pre-selected. In our case, that's not the case. I select Fausto Coppi, our CEO, to do the e-signing. I would need to fill in the details of the service provider over here. After having selected them, and I need to zoom out here to show you how it works, I can add a personal message, go to the next stage where I would select for signing the NDA, the parties, enter the details, add a personal message. Then next, finally, I can process each of the selected items. I might decide to postpone the e-signing of the confidentiality agreement in this case and kick off the e-signing, which will then run automatically outside Weagree. Receipts for the e-signing, whether one of the e-signatories has actually opened their e-signing invitation or have downloaded the Word document, etc. That will be fully automatically processed by Weagree. You will be able to see that alongside the contract that it relates to. Of course, when the document is e-signed or when the files have all been e-signed by the counterparty or by both parties, then it will be automatically returned to Weagree into the Weagree Wizard, and it will automatically, there's no need for anyone to take manual action over here. It will automatically land alongside the contract, and the contract will be marked e-signed.